How to make someone a moderator on your Discord. So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make someone a moderator on your Discord. So, first thing, just head over to your Discord application or your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, simply select any of the servers that you are currently on, and make sure there are more than 2 people in that server so that you can make someone a moderator. Tap on the drop-down menu from that server and head over to its server settings. As you can see, there is currently no roles option since I'm using it from my browser, but I'll simply show you from an example. Once you look at the roles option, tap on it and click on New Role. Enter the name of your role, such as Moderator or anything you want to give. You can also choose a color for that particular role and an image if you like. Once you do all of that, as you can see, I've given a new name, Mode. You can enable this option to display role members separately from the online members, and you can allow anyone to mention this role. I'll keep it disabled for now. Next, head over to the permissions section to actually grant the moderator the permissions about what they can do or perform, such as managing accounts, managing rules, managing expressions, kicking out members, or viewing audit logs. Now, head back to your general section and from here, choose any person you want to make a moderator. Once you tap on that particular person, simply tap on the Add Role button and select the new role which you just added called Mode. Just like that, click on Done, and that person will be a moderator for your channel. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.